So about 40 years ago, almost very close to 40 years ago, or maybe exactly 40 years ago, I made this top as a test. I was testing out onlay options. It was a technique I had just learned from my great uncle. And so I did this as a test board. And then it's been underneath a toaster oven, which the legs, kind of the rubber just was disintegrating and just turning everything black. And then maybe grease, I don't know, kind of build up maybe from the heat and the oils that I had put on the board. So what I'm doing is I'm first going to scrape it, because if you start steel wooling this, it's going to just gum up the steel wool. It's kind of gummy. You can tell, with your fingernail. So I'm going to first scrape it gently, because I don't want to scratch it, and I don't want to hit an edge and like pull up the wood or something, because the grain is going every which way here. All types of wood in here. There's some sumac, which is greenish. There's cherry. I'm not even sure what all is in here. There's a lot of different wood in here to give it this color. So we're gonna first scrape it, then probably steel wool, and see what it looks like at that point.